Okay, so I am outside Goodwill. They just had a situation with somebody with a mask. They kicked him out, so I didn't film in there. This is basically what I got here. A bunch of these. I took a chance on these personally incorrects. I got 20% off each one of those, so we'll take it. And then I got some of these too. Moral dilemma, excuse me.
Oh yeah.
And I got some of these as well. What worries me is that at Goodwills they get a lot of Target rejects. So if I get too many of them, everyone across the entire country is getting the same things. And the last thing was just this, some mega blocks. So 20% off all that. Some VHS too. Hopefully those will do something. Some of these are sealed, or the sealed ones. Nothing fancy. They're probably like $8, $10 things. Gotta have more than that. That looks like about it. So see you in a bit. All right, let's check out Thrift. See if we can find anything good. Sitting in the parking lot. Time to get inside.
Whatever.
Fisher Price. $198. Let's see. Okay. Not bad. Wheel of Fortune. Oops.
Nope.
Nah, it's not worth much at all.
Nope.
A few moments later.
Got here? I think you got here.
Huh?
What did you say?
No, let's keep walking.
Are we on camera?
Let's go, Marshy. Let's walk.
Oh, Daddy has a camera.
Be careful, it's getting dark. Duncan. I used to love these as a kid.
Hell yeah.
It's not an old one though. It's a new one. What the hell is that? Tube. Intestines? Weird. What the hell is tube? $3. These are not new though. Oh. Funkasaurus BC. Oops, can't type. Funkasaurus. $8. $12. 15. 8. 12. I'm gonna pass. Ooh, what is this guy? No, nothing. Loving. Build a bear. Dr. Seuss.
A few moments later.
You can see it. I don't want to see that many lights. So,
It's pretty good.
many lights.
No, I don't think so. They did it. Nice job.
How much do you think it cost?
I'm not sure. Never really done a big Christmas display before. A lot though.
It's about $40.
Probably more than that. Just electricity alone.
100?
Who knows? Maybe.
130?
Maybe. Probably more than that.
150?
Who knows? Have to look it up.
Bye!